Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add contacts to Mailchimp. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us in order to add contacts to Mailchimp. Tab open Mailchimp app and make sure that you are logged into your account in order to add a contact on Mailchimp. Tap on Add Contact button. Type in the email address of the contact that you're trying to add. Enter other contact details, for example address, first name, last name, and phone number. Finally, after entering all of the information in this page, tap the Save button at the upper right-hand corner. Now type in your first name followed by your last name and enter your phone number. If we want to assign tags, tap on Add Tag and type in a tag for the contact. Finally, after entering all of the information, tap the Add button in the top right-hand corner, and in the pop-up it'll ask you if the person gave you permission to email them or not. You need to receive a permission first and then tap on Yes in the pop-up. Finally, you have successfully added a contact on Mailchimp. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.